Welcome, young minds, to an exciting exploration of the fascinating concept known as kinetic particle theory. In this video, we will embark on a journey into the microscopic world, unlocking the secrets of motion and the behavior of matter. Get ready to dive into the captivating realm of kinetic particle theory. Kinetic particle theory is a fundamental concept in understanding the behavior of matter. It explains how particles, whether they are atoms, molecules, or ions, are in constant motion. Let's delve into the key aspects of this theory. Imagine a bustling crowd in a city square. Just like those people moving about, particles in matter are in constant motion. They are buzzing, vibrating, and colliding with one another, creating a dynamic dance within substances. Kinetic particle theory helps us understand why matter exists in three different states: solid, liquid, and gas. The behavior of particles determines these states and their unique properties. In solids, particles are closely packed, arranged in a fixed pattern, and vibrate in place. This gives solids their shape and rigidity. In liquids, particles are more loosely packed and move more freely. They can slide past each other, allowing liquids to flow and take the shape of their container. Gases have particles that are widely spaced and move rapidly in random directions. They fill the entire space available to them, making them highly compressible and capable of expanding to fill any container. Temperature plays a vital role in particle motion. As we increase the temperature, we provide energy to the particles, making them move faster and with greater kinetic energy. This increase in energy causes substances to change states, such as solid to liquid or liquid to gas. The motion of particles also affects pressure. When particles collide with the walls of their container, they exert pressure. Increasing the number of particle collisions or their speed results in higher pressure. By understanding kinetic particle theory, we gain insights into numerous everyday phenomena. From the expansion of substances when heated to the diffusion of scents in the air, the behavior of particles influences the world around us. So, young minds, let's celebrate the incredible dance of particles and their role in the magnificent symphony of matter. Subscribe to our channel, join our scientific journey, and deepen your understanding of the mesmerizing world of kinetic particle theory. Prepare to be amazed as we unravel the secrets of particle motion, ignite your curiosity, and inspire you to explore the wonders of the microscopic universe.